Good morning class. Today I am going to explain about differentiation of a to the power x and e to the power x. Before you have learned about differentiation on logarithm. Now these two values you must know. Suppose y is equal to a to the power x. Then we will write y plus delta y small increment as before also I taught is equal to a to the power x plus delta x. So if it is 1 and 2, 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1 will get delta y. Y plus delta y minus y is delta y is equal to a to the power x plus delta x minus a to the power x. So a to the power x plus delta x, we can write a to the power x into a to the power delta x, because exponent can be added, minus a to the power x. A to the power x we can take common, a to the power x, then we will get a to the power delta x minus 1. Now here delta y. If you divide both sides by delta x, what will get? Delta y by delta x is equal to a to the power x and a to the power delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. Now if we take limit delta y by delta x, so limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to dy by dx is equal to a to the power x, limit delta x tends to 0, a to the power delta x minus 1 whole divided by delta x. So here limit delta x tends to 0, a to the power delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. There is one formula which you have to memorize it, is equal to log x. So here we will get a to the power x into log e a. This is the formula for derivative of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log e a, because this part, there is one rule, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log e a. With this rule here, from here, this part, we can say that a to the power e a in place of here, a to the power e a. In place of x, here is delta x, here also delta x. Delta x tends to 0. That's why we use this one. Now we have to prove e to the power x. So y is equal to e to the power x. So y plus delta y is equal to e to the power x plus delta x. Similarly, we consider equation 1 and 2. So equation 2 minus 1 is equal to delta y is equal to e to the power x plus delta x minus e to the power x. Exponent power. Here also we can think e to the power x into e to the power delta x minus e to the power x. Common e to the power x we take common, e to the power x, and we take e to the power delta x minus 1. So here is delta y. If we divide by delta x, delta y by delta x, here also we can divide by delta x. Then we take limit. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to dy by dx is equal to, if you take limit e to the power x, limit delta x tends to 0, e to the power delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. Here, two formulas I have written here. Earlier also you have seen limit delta x tends to 0, x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log EA. At the same time, if it is in place of a to the power x, if it will be e to the power x, the value will be 1. So limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. Here same thing, in place of x, here is delta x, e to the power delta x minus 1 divided by delta x. It means this value became 1 is equal to e to the power x into 1 is equal to e to the power x. So, as a whole, we learn that if y is equal to a to the power x, then dy by dx is equal to a to the power x log EA, and another one, y is equal to e to the power x, then dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. These two derivative you must memorize it. So here these two you have to memorize it. E to the power log fx, e to the power log fx is equal to fx. So e and log it will go together, as you know, e to the power log fx. So direct we can write fx. These two can be used while solving exercise 8d. So here d by dx of e to the power fx. So e to the power x is equal to, you know, e to the power x only. So derivative of e to the power fx is equal to e to the power fx, and again differentiation of fx. These two you must memorize it well, which will help you while solving exercise. So practice now next exercise on the basis of exponential e to the power x and a to the power x, exercise 5e. So 5e you have to practice.